Hey, welcome back to my channel. So this is English Nerd and my name is Carly Stevens. I just, for the very first time, decided to try a book subscription box. So if you are familiar with Bookstagram on Instagram or anything like that, then you'll notice that there are a lot of book subscription services like Owlcrate, for instance, that send out books and related swag every month. And so, kind of on a whim, I decided I was just going to try one out. So, Owlcrate looked like the box for me. The theme for September is Masters of Disguise. So, I don't know what that means, but I'm really excited, as you can probably tell because of, you know, how nice and dressed up I am. I'm just coming back from school. So I came back and the Owlcrate was here, and so I'm going to do a live to me, I'm not going to edit this, unboxing of the Owlcrate. So let's get in there. First of all, the packaging is really nice, which is good because it's, you know, it's a fairly expensive service. Not, I understand, for what you get, but still. Okay, let's see. I should have probably prepared and grabbed like scissors or something before I started filming, but whatever. I'm just gonna get in there. Okay. Maybe I will edit some of this out. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So it's opening. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Okay, just let's appreciate this aesthetic that they have going on. So there's a guide to unboxing. If you give 2 hoots, you can snap a picture, share, and appreciate, which is exactly what I am doing. Okay, so Owlcrate, Masters of Disguise, it says. Spoiler warning. After you return from your secret mission, run a hot bath to relax. Use this beautiful exclusive bath soak. Ooh, let's find it. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. Oh, I think I found it. Yes. Ooh, nice. Look at that. It's a foaming bath soak. An Owlcrate exclusive by Lilu's. I don't know who that is, but oh, that is so pretty. My gosh. So there's a bath soak involved. Okay, inspired by the Diabolic, created by Lilo Soaps. Your bath will be extra shimmery and foamy. That sounds really fun. I like shimmer and foam in a bath, I guess, if I could choose. You are now an honorary member of the Crow Club. Hopefully all this will make sense eventually. Wear your exclusive fingerless gloves when you're up to no good in the streets of Ketterdam. Okay, are these the fingerless? Yes, look. Fingerless gloves. I'm going to open these up and see what they look like. It's another Owlcrate exclusive. Oh, it has the little owl on there. That's cute. Maybe I can use these for writing action, you know, one of those days when I'm writing. Okay, get my hand in there. Okay. I think I'm doing this right. Yeah, that's cute. I can figure out something to do with that. There's a little bird on the button. Adorable. Hopefully the light isn't too funky as I'm doing this video. Either way, I'm just gonna forge ahead. And then next, it says, this is a whole guide. It's nice. We simply had to include, very different, this special exclusive ceramic mug inspired by Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Oh, what? Okay, I should probably keep reading. And illustrated by talented artist Kara Kozik. It's K-O-Z-I-K, so I don't know. Can you spot all the marauders in this scene? They truly were the masters of disguise. Yes, they were. I solemnly swear I'm up to no good. I love it. And it's dishwasher and microwave safe, bless them. Let's see what this looks like. Basically, I heard, here's how this came about. I was on Instagram and I saw a picture of this Harry Potter mug. It was Hagrid's hut, and then I heard this, you know, leaked spoiler. It was all advertising, but very effective, that in this month's Owlcrate box there would be another similar mug inspired by Harry Potter by the same artist. So that is why I decided to jump on board this month. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at this. Okay, all right, I'm gonna give you the full view of this mug. Check this out. Look, we have the night bus there. I think that's probably Sirius as the dog. And then as you go around, you can see Hogwarts. There's the Whomping Willow. There's Peter Pettigrew, who was in that group for some reason. And then there's Remus Lupin as the werewolf, and then we have all the Dementors over the Black Lake, and I assume that has to be James because it looks just like Harry. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. That is a blast. I love it so much. Okay, so far this whole subscription box thing has been a win. You can unsubscribe before I think it's the first of each month, so you're not automatically charged for the next box. But I am seriously thinking I'm just gonna let this roll, even though it is kind of expensive. Cause man, you get some fun stuff. Okay, let's see what's next. Use your Apple Mint lip balm. Apple Mint, I like that. I like both apple and mint. Ha ha ha. It says, look, the kiss of deception. I don't know what that's about, but that's awesome, and I love it. Let's see, the Apple Mint Lip Balm to deceive princes and assassins alike. We've created this exclusive lip balm inspired by The Kiss of Deception, which is apparently a book, with the help of our friends Geekfire Labs. A character who we feel is fantastic at masquerading herself to suit her needs is none other than Lila Bard from the Shades of Magic series. There's one I've heard of. Now, you have to forgive me here if all these books are well known, because I'm still getting into the living authors scene, because I've been in the English literature world for so long that my guys, my ladies are, they tend to be, you know, deceased, and their works just are living on. So I'm still working on reading more, especially fantasy, living authors. So Shades of Magic, that's Victoria, shoot, what's her last name? Schwab. There we go. And Victoria Schwab is the one who writes those, I believe. So artist Kirsty Carter illustrated this beautiful exclusive art print inspired by this adventurous character. I assume that it's what I'm reading here. Yeah. Okay. Adventure comes for Amani in a way she could never have expected. She's kidnapped from her village and taken captive in the royal palace. There she discovers that she has an uncanny resemblance to the much revered and hated Princess Marem. I think that's how you say it. Amani is forced to impersonate the princess during public appearances, fearing for her life at every turn. One wrong move could cost her everything. Mirage, which is the book I'll show you in a second, is a stunning debut, a debut novel. That's incredible. And it's in an Owlcrate. Nice job. Actually, I think that they kind of focus on debuts, but anyway, I digress. It's a stunning debut with a sci-fi fantasy setting inspired by author Somaya Dowd's Moroccan background. So I apologize, Ms. Dowd, if I am mispronouncing that. We were completely blown away by this world building and beautiful writing. We hope you enjoy this exclusive signed edition. Whoa, complete with special design under this dust jacket, as well as a letter from Somaya. Oh my word. Let's look at this. Oh. I'm dropping all the packing fluff. Oh, and there's also this. Looks like nail polish, like a silver nail polish, which is inspired by this other Grim Lovelies, I guess. I don't know if that really sounds like my jam, but I do like me some nail polish, so there's that. Let's look at this. Oh no, here's the art print. So this is not the art print, this is just the how to unbox your Owlcrate and what you find inside. No, this is the art print. I don't know, it's pretty cool. I don't know what I would do with that, but you know, I'm not mad at it. It's pretty cool. Ooh, let's see what this is here. Oh, okay. So we have an exclusive signed edition. Ooh, with a letter. Look, see, so it's, I mean, look at that, it's gorgeous. And on the back, there's a letter to the reader. So I'm gonna open this up. Ooh, yeah, without the plastic. Look at that, it just shines. It's really, really pretty. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this. The inside of that book cover. So beautiful. Goodness. I think that's it. I think that's her signature. But it looks like it just says spy. Ooh, this is gorgeous. I'm really liking this so far. Goodness. Wow, so this is her debut novel. She is currently a PhD candidate at the University of Washington. That is great. Good for you, Samaya Dowd, or however you say your name. I'm so sorry. Impressive, so impressive. One day I would like to join the ranks of people like you. So, Dear Owlcrate reader, it says, Mirage is my debut novel, but not the first book I've written. It is, however, the book I've always wanted to write. Set on a distant planet in a galaxy far away, we might share some fandoms there, and filled with glittering courts, romance, and danger. It is also led by a character I did not expect, a poet. In Arabic, a poet is called a shayir, and one that knows. That's what that means. And that poetic knowledge comes from a space which straddles inspiration and the divine, lending them knowledge that goes beyond what mere mortals know how to expect. As you read Mirage, I hope you find the characters and their words as inspiring as I did, and that their journey leads you somewhere divine. Well, that is lovely. Oh my goodness. I would say that this is most definitely a win. Just seeing if there's anything at the bottom of this box. We have this, I don't know if it's a guide or... Oh, it's just a few little extras on the author and some of the differences between the exclusive edition of Mirage that I have and the one that is normally out. I guess the one that's normally out is purple, and mine is not purple. It's black and gold instead of purple and gold. Oh. Some information about the people who made all the soaps and things. And then the October theme is going to be Lost in the Bookstore. And there will be some things from Out of Print, it looks like. And Out of Print, I have heard of them. They are a company that makes exclusive literature-themed items. So I actually have something from Out of Print. I'll just show you really fast. So my friend got me this several years ago. It's just a little pouch. See? So it's the Great Gatsby, but that's Out of Print, as you can see. So that apparently is coming in next month's box because I'm on board. I'm on board for this. Yes. Okay. Well, I am very pleased with that box. That was a complete blast. There are so many great things in there. So I would suggest, if you have the means to do it, that you at least try 1 month's worth of box, because that was a blast. I mean, that was like just a mini Christmas surprise in the middle of not Christmas. So thanks for watching this video. I know it got kind of long, but I just had to ooh and ah over everything, and I guess that's the point of these videos anyway. If you would like to subscribe, or if you like this video, make sure to click down below and share your own experiences with Owlcrate. I would like to know how you like some of the other boxes as well, because if I'm going to stick with this, I want them all to be this awesome. Alright, well, I guess I will see you on Monday.